Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Grebilux Cordless Leaf Blower with a battery and charger. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
All right, so as we get this box open, first thing we're going to see is your user manual. And it's nice, they give you a couple earplugs in case this thing is just too loud for you. Easily identifiable power cord, as well as 2 batteries. And simply slide and lock into place and just pull. So this thing does have juice to start with. It does not look like there's any kind of identifiable markings to say how much battery there is, but we're going to go ahead and get them all charged up, and it's as simple as, let me just adjust that, sorry, plugging in like that, and then plugging into an outlet. So we'll go ahead and get these charged up. And from there, you'll have a couple different options here on the tip. So this will kind of just twist and pull off. It'll lock into place. You'll see the little nubs. Put this on and should slide right in. There we go. And then twist. Once it's in, make sure it's in on both sides. And not twisting. So what am I doing here? So the extension is not locking in perfectly for me, which is a bit annoying, but if I really use all my muscle or a clamp or something like that, I could probably get it to that level. But either way, it's good enough that it's going to lock. And again, it gets pretty loud. And then these are just extra nozzles that can go, and this clicks in very easily. It can go in either on the bottom or literally just right. This might just need to be kind of loosened up a little bit, oiled up or something. But you can just kind of put these right on to the front as a short nozzle, and then twist. And again, it seems like these are just not moving easily. So either way, I don't want them to come off easily either. So this will, again, the longer you hold it, the more turbo it kicks in. I'm going to demonstrate this outside, but just kind of wanted to give you a close-up. We're going to get both batteries charged up. So as you can see, it does a really nice job. Obviously, this is going to be meant for kind of, these are wet leaves. It's going to be really meant for dry leaves. You do in a driveway, stuff like that, handheld, pathway, stuff like that. But overall, really, really great. I still wish that it would show me some kind of indicator on how much power level is there. I'm a guy that recharges batteries either way, but it would still be nice to know exactly how much is left in the battery at this point, but still very powerful, great for kind of like a back deck or driveway or anything like that. So definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helps, and thanks for watching.